Today, we're going to be taking a look at an example conclusion map for factors and greatest common factor. First, we're going to choose our numbers. So, let's find the greatest common factor of 8, 12, and 24. The rule that we're going to be using is factors are the whole numbers that multiply together to give you a product. For example, 2 times 3 equals 6. So 2 and 3 are factors of 6. So let's get started with finding the factors for the number 8. When we think of the numbers that multiply together to equal 8, we get 1 times 8 and 2 times 4. And the same thing would happen for the number 12. We would get 1 times 12, 2 times 6, and 3 times 4. And then for 24, we would find that we have 1 times 24, 2 times 12, 3 times 8, and 4 times 6. Now, in order to find the greatest common factor, or GCF, we're going to be looking for the numbers that all three products 8, 12, and 24, the highest number that they have in common, which if we look, we're looking at 1, 2, 4, and 8. Well, here we have the 1, the 2, and the 4, but no 8. So I'm starting to notice that there's a 4 here and a 4 here. And if we go to the third box, again, we have 1, 2, 4, and 8, but the only number that we have in common for all of these is the number 4. So the greatest common factor for 8, 12, and 24 would be the number 4. Now it's your turn to create an example. Choose numbers that you can work with easily and discover what the greatest common example is.